IELTS Speaking Part 3. Topic: History. Why is it important to study history?
Studying history is crucial because it helps us understand how past events shaped the world we live in today. It provides valuable lessons that can guide our decisions and actions in the future. History also allows us to preserve cultural heritage and learn from previous mistakes, which can prevent repeating them. Additionally, it fosters a sense of identity and belonging by connecting us to our roots.
Do you think we can learn from history?
Yes, history offers a wealth of knowledge that can inform our current decisions. By studying past successes and failures, we can gain insights into human behavior, social dynamics, and political strategies. Learning from history prevents us from making the same mistakes, and it also encourages us to appreciate progress. However, it's important to recognize that each situation is unique, so while history offers lessons, context is key.
How do you think history influences the present?
History has a profound influence on the present as it lays the foundation for modern society. Many of the institutions, political systems, and cultural norms we follow today stem from historical events and ideologies. For instance, concepts like democracy and human rights were shaped by historical struggles and revolutions. Moreover, our values and worldviews are often shaped by the historical narratives we grow up with.
What role does history play in shaping national identity?
History plays a pivotal role in shaping national identity because it provides a collective memory of shared experiences, triumphs, and challenges. It unites people by celebrating common achievements and learning from past adversities. For example, national heroes, significant events, and historical landmarks all contribute to a sense of pride and belonging. A strong national identity often relies on understanding and honoring a nation's historical journey.
How do you think history is recorded and passed down?
History is recorded and passed down through various means, such as written documents, oral traditions, and physical artifacts. Books, newspapers, and official records have historically served as primary sources for documenting events. Additionally, oral storytelling and cultural practices have kept historical knowledge alive in societies without written traditions. In today's digital age, technology plays a huge role in preserving and disseminating history for future generations.
Is history taught in the same way around the world?
No, history is often taught differently across cultures and countries, depending on the perspective and focus of each society. In some countries, the emphasis is on local history and national events, while in others, global history may be prioritized. The way history is taught can be influenced by political ideologies, cultural values, and the educational system. This means that two individuals from different parts of the world may have very different historical knowledge and interpretations.
Can historical events be interpreted in different ways?
Absolutely. Historical events are often interpreted differently depending on the perspective, context, and biases of those recounting them. For example, one country's War of Independence might be seen by another as an invasion. These differing viewpoints can lead to conflicting interpretations of the same event. Understanding history requires critical thinking and an awareness of multiple perspectives to avoid oversimplifying complex situations.
Do you think modern technology has affected the way we study history?
Yes, Modern technology has revolutionized the study of history in many ways. Digital archives, online databases, and virtual reality allow us to access and experience historical events in new and immersive ways. Technology also makes it easier to collaborate globally on historical research and share findings. However, there is a risk of misinformation, so it's important to critically assess sources when studying history online.
Why do some people find history boring?
Many people find history boring because they see it as a series of dry facts and dates rather than a dynamic story of human experiences. The way history is taught can also make it seem irrelevant, especially if it's not connected to present-day issues or personal experiences. Additionally, some may find it difficult to relate to historical events that feel distant or disconnected from their own lives. Making history engaging often involves storytelling, emphasizing its relevance, and showing how it affects our current world.
Do you think it is important to preserve historical buildings and monuments?
Yes, preserving historical buildings and monuments is vital as they serve as tangible links to our past. These structures not only represent architectural achievements but also embody cultural significance and historical memory. Monuments like ancient temples or war memorials can provide a deeper understanding of a nation's history and values. Additionally, preserving these sites helps maintain cultural diversity and fosters tourism, contributing to both education and the economy. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.